Hello to those of you who are thinking about using an FHA loan to purchase or refinance a home, and you're also wondering about the employment requirements for FHA loans. I'll take you through some of that right now in this video, and then you can also read more about it on our article on FHAlenders.com, which I'll link to in the first pinned comment and also the description. So in general, FHA guidelines require a 2-year work history. Now, many lenders will require you to be in the same job for the past 2 years. That is not a requirement for FHA guidelines, and if your current lender is requiring you to be in the same job for 2 years, then we can help you to speak to someone else who will not require you to be in that same job for 2 years. If you have a 2-year work history, it's okay if you change job as soon as 30 days ago. 30 days worth of pay stubs in your new job, and you can get an FHA loan providing you meet all of the other requirements. Now, you can also get an FHA loan if you have a gap in employment. So let's say you lost your job, and a lot of this happened during the pandemic. People lost their jobs and they were out of work for a few months. As long as you're back to work for a little bit and you can demonstrate that you've had a 2-year work history before your gap started, then yes, you can still get an FHA loan. So that's not a problem either. Maybe you're refinancing your house, and if you are going for an FHA streamline refinance, then the lender's inquiry into your employment will not be as thorough as what it might be with a purchase or a different type of like a cash out refinance. So the lender is going to verify your employment. They're going to do a written verification with your lender, and then they might come back again just not too long before closing and do a phone call, a verbal, just making sure you're still working there. So if you're thinking about changing jobs, don't do it until after your loan closes. You might screw up your entire loan process if you change jobs in the middle of your application. Also, if you think you might be applying for a mortgage very soon and you can hold out and stay at your current job for a little while longer, I encourage you to do that, or at minimum contact someone and have a conversation, a loan officer, and talk about what your plans might be, and then see what the best course of action will be for you. And if you do want to speak to someone about that, or just any other FHA employment related questions, or want to get pre-approved or get a quote, just follow the link down below in the first pinned comment and also the description to FHAlenders.com. We'll help you there. You can read more about it, and we'll be glad to help you with your mortgage. So thanks again for watching today, everyone, and we'll see you next time.